And here is an exercise program that you have to develop. So program you have to write on for calculating discounted bill amount. So the input a program will take is the total bill amount, and it will give the discount as follows. If it is greater than 500, then it is 20% discount is given. So you are supposed to take the input as bill amount, and based on the bill amount calculate the discount and subtract discount from the bill amount and display discounted price. And here I will show you the program, how it should run and what should be the input and output. And the program file is given in the form of PDF. If you face any difficulty in writing the program, you can check the code. Here is a program for calculating discounted bill amount. I will run the program and show you how the input output is expected. See, here it's asking bill amount. If I say bill amount is 1000 and the amount is greater than 500, so 20% discount is given. I will rerun the program and I will give the amount as 400, so 10% discount I will get. So discount is 40. Here you can see that the discount is 40 and the discounted amount is 360. I'll run the program once again and I will give the amount as 50. It is less than 100, so discount is 0 and the bill amount is 50 only. You should write the program which works like this, and if you are unable to do, then you can check the program that is available as PDF.